Today's users demand nothing short of excellent software applications. As a software company, how do you ensure that your applications keep running seamlessly? Your multi-locational quality assurance teams spend a great deal of time, money, and manual effort in ensuring a smooth and predictable experience at all times. However, the testing process at most companies, sadly, is still quite fragmented. This can often lead to unforeseen glitches in your software during the continuous delivery process. Such broken user experiences could indeed be a red flag for your business and brand value. Isn't there a better way to manage your QA process to ensure a world-class product experience at all times? Presenting to you Avo Assure, an AI-driven 100% no-code test automation platform that simplifies and speeds up your entire test execution lifecycle. Avo Assure supports over 200 technologies, so you can freely test all major applications. Avo Assure's architecture provides tremendous flexibility and enables testers to be located anywhere, wherever they can access the business applications, and Assure's test automation platform for test design. Avo allows smart scheduling, CI/CD execution, and also enables headless testing without human intervention across test pools to utilize computing resources efficiently, and can be run with other tests, executing in parallel to further reduce testing windows. With Avo Assure's architecture and powerful test execution abilities, a virtual test automation farm can be established, helping you with parallel testing needs, a reduced test cycle, a faster time to market, and cross-platform end-to-end testing that covers business processes to be tested. Let's take a deeper dive into how the platform works using a simple 3-step process. It starts with designing test automation scenarios using drag-and-drop mind maps. You can then leverage the smart record and playback capability. Then you automate and execute the test cases, and finally analyze the test automation results through comprehensive reports and dashboards. Let's begin by creating a new project. While Avo Assure supports testing of complex business scenarios built on platforms like Salesforce, SAP, Fiori, and more, let's try automating a simple web app. For simple applications, you can use Avo Genius. As you interact with the application UI, the elements keep getting captured automatically. You can also modify or delete the elements, debug and replay, view mind map, and even execute the steps. For complex applications, use the mind map route to design and execute test cases. This can be easily done using our simple-to-use proprietary design studio. The next step is to start capturing screen elements from different screens in your application. Before scraping, you can select the browser of your choice and then click on the Capture button. Avo Assure intelligently identifies static or dynamic screen objects and allows you to select single or multiple objects within a screen. Captured objects are intelligently associated with the screen and stored in the Avo Assure repository, along with the screenshots for each object. Once objects have been created, test case steps can be easily designed without writing any code by using over 1,500 pre-built keywords to drive the action, combined with objects, specified inputs, and outputs for each test step. Once the tests are designed, the next step is to execute them by feeding in the data source. You can add execution profiles by feeding in the desired execution details and adding data parameterization input. You can execute the tasks now, schedule them to run later, or choose the CI/CD action. Avo Assure provides testers with extensive test execution reporting details. Reporting can be accessed based on project, release, cycle, and module name or batch name. Avo Assure reports provide a test result summary, test execution detail for each step. You can access the corresponding defect report by clicking on the defect ID for failed test cases. You can also integrate with numerous bug defect systems to easily raise defects. But that's not all. Avo Assure takes web testing a step further with built-in accessibility testing that can compare web page UI/UX against a number of global accessibility standards. Reports show your compliance with the different accessibility standards, along with gaps that your application needs to bridge. Another key challenge for QA teams is to create test data that mimics the production environment. This is a tedious and time-consuming process. Avo's Intelligent Test Data Management (ITDM) function auto-generates relevant, representative, reliable, and compliant test data just with a few clicks. Avo ITDM is compatible with many databases. The platform is extremely secure and compliant with on-demand and configurable data privacy regulations, scalable, and supports open architecture with easily pluggable custom modules. It is built and deployed on open-source technologies and container frameworks. Let's see how Avo ITDM works. As the first step while creating obfuscated synthetic data, set up a dataset connection from the list of data sources and choose a schema. See all the tables in the schema and how they are related. Click on any node to see drill-down table-level data to inspect linked tables and fields. Select the tables for which you want to obfuscate data for. Select a PII compliance template and review fields and confidence score that depicts how confident the platform is in identifying the PII field. You can now analyze the dataset as per the profiling. You can also define a subset by choosing the desired parameters. Users can specify specific obfuscation techniques to be applied to column data. You can now provision into a target data system and schedule a job. Review the table and submit to start the data generation process. Wasn't that easy? The data generated can be used for your data-driven testing needs and a host of other applications. With Avo Automation, you get one unified platform for test automation and test data management. Avo Automation Platform enables organizations to rapidly test applications to accelerate high-quality software delivery, deliver flawless user experiences, and reduce time and costs within DevOps environments. Avo is now recognized as a market leader in the industry. Join the thousands of users and partners who trust Avo to help them bring excellent software to everyone. Log on to www.avoautomation.ai to know more.